We are making the Poondu Kadalai Milagai Podi today in this Kongu Nadu recipe series. This Milagai Podi pairs well with rice and idlis. If you like garlic in your podis, do definitely try this recipe. Crush the garlic along with its skin and set aside. Take a heavy cast iron pan and keep the flame of the stove to low. Add in our kadalaparuppu, the split Bengal gram to the pan and roast on a low flame till golden. It's important that you roast it on a low flame. Make sure not to burn the lentils and keep sauteing continuously. Once the kadalaparuppu is golden, remove on a plate or a bowl and set aside to cool. In the same pan, add the ulitham paruppu, aka the dehusked black gram. Roast the black gram until golden. It's important that we roast all the ingredients separately to get the ideal color for each lentil. Once the black gram is roasted and golden, remove and set aside on a plate to cool. In the same pan, add some raw rice. Any raw rice variety like ponni raw rice or the popular everyday Sona Masuri rice will work just fine. Roast the rice till it turns crisp and golden. Remove from the pan and set aside to cool. Add some coconut oil and add in some roasted peanuts and some Poondu Kadalai, the roasted Bengal gram. Add some curry leaves, Bedige chilies for color and Guntur chilies for the heat. Add in our crushed garlic at this stage. You can adjust the chilies according to your spice levels. Roast everything on a low flame so the ingredients gets crisped up. If you are using raw peanuts, roast the peanuts first before adding the other ingredients. Once the ingredients are slightly roasted, switch off the flame. Add the salt and the asafoetida. Mix everything well to combine and allow this mixture to cool a bit. Now let's grind them. First we will be grinding the roasted lentils and the rice mixture. Add this to the mixie jar and grind to a fine powder. Lentils take a longer time to grind and so it is ideal to grind them first before adding our other ingredients. To the ground powder, add the rest of the roasted ingredients. If the mixie jar is small, grind in batches as required. Use the pulse mode in the mixie to grind the podi. Our Poondu Kadalai Podi is now ready. Enjoy!